we are learning Lakshmi Shlokas. Who is Lakshmi? Lakshmi is one of the goddesses who is very well known for the wealth. So you have the picture. Please look at the picture of the goddesses Lakshmi, Devi Lakshmi. Here is the first shloka that we are learning today. Namastestu, Namastestu, Stestu, Namastestu, Namastestu, Mahamaye, Mahamaye. It's not a, it's ye. Namastestu, 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 Mahamaye, Mahamaye, Mahamaye. Together. Namastestu Mahamaye, Namastestu Mahamaye, Namastestu Mahamaye, Namastestu Mahamaye. If you are done with this, we can go for the next line. If you are now done, please go back, play and revise once again. Shri Pithe Sura, Shri Pithe Sura, Shri Pithe. Tha, stress the tha letter. Shri Pithe Sura, Shri Pithe Sura, Pujite, 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 Shri Pithe Sura Pujite, Shri Pithe Sura Pujite, Shri Pithe Sura Pujite. Wonderful, that's it. So practice 2 to 3 times once again till you feel comfortable till with the words and the lines. We'll now start from the beginning. Namastestu Mahamaye, Shri Pithe Sura Pujite, Namastestu Mahamaye, Shri Pithe Sura Pujite. Keep repeating the same shloka. If you want to chant along with me, go back and play. If you can say it all of your own, by your own, then you can say it by your own. Namastestu Mahamaye, Shri Pithe Sura Pujite. We'll go for next line. Shankha, K, stress the K little. Shankha, Chakra, Chakra, Gada Haste, Gada Haste. Shankha, Chakra, Gada Haste. Shankha, Chakra, Gada Haste. Shankha, Chakra, Gada Haste. We'll put it together. Shankha, Chakra, Gada Haste. Shankha, Chakra, Gada Haste. Shankha, Chakra, Gada Haste. Wonderful. We'll say from the beginning. Namastestu Mahamaye, Shri Pithe Sura Pujite, Shankha Chakra Gada Haste. Wonderful. So you are done. So if you want to practice, please go back, repeat 1, 2 to 3 times. Then you can learn the last line. Here is the last line. Mahalakshmi, 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 Namostute, 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 Mahalakshmi, Lakshmi, Mahalakshmi, Namostute, Mahalakshmi, Namostute. Wonderful. Now we'll say from the beginning. Yes. Namastestu Mahamaye Shri Pithe Surapujite Shankha Chakra Gada Haste Mahalakshmi Namostute. Rewind this, play it again and say with me till you get used to it. Practice this, repeat this 3 to 5 times. Now we'll say after you practice, we'll increase the speed and we'll say a little louder. Namastestu Mahamaye Shri Pithe Surapujite Shankha Chakra Gada Haste Mahalakshmi Namostute. Yes. So here I am describing the goddesses Lakshmi, and I am also showing my salutation to the goddesses Lakshmi. So in the goddesses Lakshmi, so she is the one who resides in a Shri Pitha. Shri Pitha is one of the place where there is a Lakshmi temple, and she is the one who is carrying the Shankha Chakra Gada in her hand. Hasta is a hand. Shankha Chakra Gada is kind of a weapons. You can see in the image of the Lakshmi where you will find Shankha Chakra and all. So those are like elements, those are like weapons that she is having with her in her hand. So we are showing the salutations to Mahalakshmi. So this is the meaning, the basic meaning of this shloka. Fine. So please practice these shlokas. Now we'll say both the shlokas. No, we have learned only one shloka. We are ready to learn the one more shloka. Yes, sorry. So if you are done with this, we'll go for the next shloka. Yes. We'll start the second one. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Sarva Mangala Mangalye Sarva Mangala Mangalye Sarva Mangala Mangalye. Repeat this 3 to 5 times. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Sarva Mangala Mangalye Sarva Mangala Mangalye. Wonderful. Shive Shive Sarvartha Sarvartha Sadhike Sadhike. Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike. Sharanye Sharanye Trayambake Devi Trayambake Devi Sharanye Trayambake Devi Narayani Namostute Narayani Namostute. We'll see from the beginning. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Shive Sarvartha Sadhike. Sharanye 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 Trayambake Trayambake Devi Devi. Instead of Devi here, sometimes we also can use Gauri. You can also hear people using Gauri. Narayani, Narayani. Na, make sure your tongue has to touch the upper portion of your mouth when you are pronouncing a na. Narayani. It's not Narayani. It's Narayani. Right? Namostute. Namostute. Wonderful. Now we say completely. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Trayambake Devi Narayani Namostute. We'll repeat. We'll increase the speed little now. Sarvamangala-mangalye Shive sarvartha-sadhike Sharanye Trayambake Gauri. You can also say Gauri instead of Adebi. I told you in the previous one. Narayani Namostute. Wonderful. So this is the complete shloka. Now we'll chant this same shloka a little louder. If you have practiced well, then you can come here, or still you can even give a try. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Trayambake Devi Narayani Namostute. So this is the second shloka. So what I am saying here. So again I am showing my salutations to Mahalakshmi, to the Narayani. Narayani is one more name of her. So I am showing my salutations to her, and I'm asking for all kind of auspiciousness, all kind of a wealth with the goddesses Lakshmi. Fine. So these are the two shlokas which is related to goddesses Lakshmi. Now we'll chant both the shlokas. If you have to practice, then you can practice and then come back here, or else you can just give a try also. Fine? Yes. We'll start. Namastestu Mahamaye Shri Pithe Surapujite Shankha Chakra Gada Haste Mahalakshmi Namostute Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Trayambake Devi Narayani Namostute. So these are the two shlokas that we learned about goddesses Lakshmi. So at the end of this video, as I tell you every time, you will be having the script for your reference, where you will be having the script of the shloka and also the basic meaning of the shloka. So you can just go through that and have a little more knowledge, extra knowledge or extra information about the shloka that you are chanting. Please make sure that you practice it every day so that the shloka will become very easy for you, and also try to chant a little louder and with the right pronunciation every time. Thank you. So this is all about the goddesses Lakshmi. Then we will go for one more shloka in the next set of video. Thank you.